Okay, folks, today we're going to do the modern periodic table. This is a short worksheet, so we'll fly right through it. Groups go which way in the periodic table? Groups are this way. Remember, your first column, with the exception of hydrogen, are the alkali metals and the alkaline earth metals. Over here we have a group called the halogens, and over here we have the group called the noble gases. So your groups are vertical. They go up and down. Periods go the other way. So give names for the columns as indicated below. Well, I just did this. This is the alkali metals. These are the alkaline, the ones next to them in column 2A. Alkaline earth metals. An extra word there. And it's alkaline, not alkali. Right, group 17, that's the one that's all the way on the right, except for the last one. All right, the last one, let me just jump down to that. Those are the noble gases. And the one to their left, those are the halogens. So the ones that include fluorine, chlorine, iodine, those are halogens. Right, now what are groups 3 through 12? Group 3 through 12 are the ones in the middle, and we call those the transition metals, or the transition elements. You can choose which you use. And finally, the ones at the bottom are the inner, because they're inside, transition elements, also called the inner transition metals. All right. Now we have 7, elements listed here, right? And these are special 7. These are what we call semi-metals, and they're attached to a stair-step line. They're also sometimes known as metalloids. Those terms are synonymous. All right. Metals have 5 properties that distinguish them from non-metals. So you should be able to say that metals have a shine to them, sometimes known as a luster. You should know that metals conduct heat and electricity. You should know that they are solids at room temperature with one exception. Room temperature with one exception, which is mercury. So you need to know that, because mercury is a liquid at room temperature. What else when you think about metals? Well, we can take metals and we can pound them into a sheet. That's called malleable. We can flatten them. And the other thing that we can do is make wire out of them. We can pull them or draw them into a wire, and that's called ductile. And you should be able to find the stair-step line on the periodic table. So I don't think I can do that, so I'm not even going to try, because that'll ruin this whole podcast. So we start right between boron and aluminum. You should know that's where the semi-metal line starts, and it stair-steps all the way down to between polonium and astatine, or however you pronounce it. Okay, so you need to be able to find this semi-metal line. Okay? And that's it. I'll see you in class. If you have questions, have a great day. Bye.